Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can clear the trash folder in your email inbox you have connected with your account on Thunderbird. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so what you want to do is launch the Thunderbird application and make sure that you're logged in with the associated email address. And what you want to do is after that expand the email address here to gain access to that menu. And from there guys, as you can see, there are two different trash folders. That trash folder, that is part of your associated email inbox. So whenever you delete an email from the trash folder, it will be also deleted from your email inbox, no matter if you do it through your email account or through the Thunderbird application, because that's what Thunderbird has been designed for, to connect you with your email address so that you may manage it and, for example, clear the trash folder. So that's one option. The other option, guys, would be to simply move emails from your email inbox to the local folder, trash folder. However, guys, these are distinct. So if you move an email into your email addresses trash folder, it won't automatically be moved also to the local folder trash. If you'd like to empty them, guys, simply right click into them, select empty trash, confirm by clicking to yes here, and do the same with the local folder trash. And that's it, guys. After that, you will see 0 messages in their trash folder. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.